Do you remember that one place? Oh, where you got the shoes? No, not that place. I'm pretty sure you got those shoes there. Wait, what place are you talking about? The place where you got those shoes. Ingrid knows the place I'm talking about. Who's Ingrid? That girl over there. Tell her. It's rain babies! Human babies. What are you talking about? What? Huh? Who? You. Me? Yeah. Why? Purple. Wow. I know. Where did she go? Who? Ingrid. Who's that? Her? Who's her? Ingrid. Who is Ingrid? Your friend? What? Remember? It will rain, babies. That's sick. Huh? What's wrong with you? Nothing. Yes, there is. What? I think you need help. Me? Yeah, you. Wow. I know.